name is Pradipta. I work for a financial services company. I kind of head a couple of their businesses and I live in Irving, Texas.
Okay.
I decided to join the Get You in Shape program when I saw the initial promotions, and then I realized that it's going to work for me looking at the initial promos. And when I started, I joined for a month, and almost instantly when I started to do it with the YS guys, I felt like it is the perfect thing for me. So it was an instant, decision that I need to continue. Joining the Get You in Shape program, I was, getting unfit. There were no regular eating schedule. Junk food was everything in the life, and a lot of stress because of the professional career. And the point was before that, right? I was always into sports in my school and college years. I was always in the best shape of my life, so it was very frustrating for me. So I needed a change, and that's why I wanted to get into something which would work for me.
Now you're ready.
The first impression is, as I say, works, right? So the first impression was really good. I felt the trainers and the other participants were really welcoming. I never felt like I was starting new. There was a lot of focus on individuals, which I was not completely expecting because it's a group fitness, but I was surprised to see the kind of environment and the training that is provided. So first week was awesome. As I said, almost instantly I realized that this is going to be a continuous thing for me. After first month, it was a big change in my life because I was eating well, I was eating better, I was sleeping well, and it was much more productive for me. So it was great after first. There are a lot of tools in the website and on the different other forums that GYIS have, and I think everything is useful, but the ones that comes to my mind are MyFitnessPal. It was really useful to track my food, really useful to track my workouts. Apart from that, other exercises and travel exercises and the diet tips that were there on the website was really very useful. I also did do the 24-day challenge. I don't know whether we can call it the tool, but it was also really very useful for kind of bit more stringent, but it was really useful to again get my life in a better state.
Other things
I
you've done in the
tried
past?
different program in the past. For example, I've tried personal training where you have a personal trainer attached to you, and I thought that that personal training would be much more focused, but from the group fitness that we are doing now. But I realized this is like a double benefit, probably at a cheaper option, right? Where you are doing it with the group, you can be meaner to yourself because everyone is pushing you. At the same time, I was very surprised to see that the trainers really focus a lot on the individual. It was really surprising and pleasant to see that everyone focuses on the individual strengths and weaknesses, and that's what I liked compared to all the things that I did in the past. I also did some other things like Insanity in the past, but it's all about you pushing yourself, right? Here you have a group and the trainers pushing yourself. That's what worked for me. I think the biggest benefit, as I stated earlier, is a change in my lifestyle. I think fitness has to be a lifestyle rather than a 4-month program or a 5-month program. That's, I think, is the biggest change. I feel incomplete if I don't wake up and come to the boot camp every time there is a boot camp. And apart in terms of numbers, I did lose around 10 pounds in 3 months. But again, I think that's a net loss because I feel my muscles. I think I've gained some muscle weight as well. Apart from that, I really feel stronger, fitter, productive. I can run around with my son now. He's a very active kid, and that's all I love, right? So it's a complete change in my lifestyle, and I hope to continue that. That's what I love about GYIS.
Right.
If someone asks me about GYIS, I would always endorse them because I think every individual is different. So I think everyone needs different kind of program. But what I have found in GYIS is that there is a 99.99% chance that you will get a fit for yourself, right? So what I mean by that is there is so much of variety that the trainers offer here. There is so much of different programs that the trainers offer here. I think it is a wonderful thing to be part of. I also, as I said, love the environment. So when you get a set of like-minded people, it is always better because they push each other, and that probably ends up making that lifestyle change that everyone wants to do. So I would absolutely endorse it.